Hi, today it's Sunday, October 13. Today it's Sukkot, full moon in Libra in Aries. It's the soulmate of the Pesach. In Pesach we have the order in the thought, the spirit archive, and today we have the material archive, and we are in a very, very powerful time. So I just want to send you a short message. We are now still in this bridge of 3 months. We're just beginning it actually, of 3 months to try to allow in the new. But till now, for 26,000 years, the new, if the old was a rotten apple, so the new will be a new apple. But now, no. If the rotten apple is coming up, the new is watermelon. And we don't know yet how to think about it, how to allow it, how to want it, how to deal with it, how to function with that. We don't know yet. And it's good that we don't know. Because if we will know, we will disturb. But it's a very, very powerful time, and today I'm doing a big tuning. But in these holidays, today we fix near the soulmate number 3, and next Sunday near soulmate number 4, and in Kippur we fixed already number 2, and in Rosh Hashanah number 1. All the white square, all the freedom, all the butterfly. But the best thing is that we're going now to build a new male softness, a new beginning to allowing to be able to think different, to allowing the new, to allowing the watermelon, to allowing the new function, the new thinking, to allowing to think like our spirit. We need a new head and a new spine and a new male softness. Softness is the male side, and it's beginning of every organ and every thinking and every thought. It begins with the male softness. It's the archive. It's the invisible pipe. And if we agree to the male softness, we're allowing the feedback, the female receiving. So we're going now to build in this very powerful time, and even in Israel I'm doing some experience workshop about it, how to build the new head, the new thinking, the new liquid of the brain, the new part of the brain that go into the spine and cell and send male softness to the old organ, because everything has to be new. With the old head, we will not be allowing to think different, to think spirit, to allowing different. We will not know how to function with the new in our screen. So this is why I'm building now a new head to the people that ask, a new male softness. Even now the energy stopped, so a lot of things from the past coming up, but it's good. We're going to use this time to let these things coming up and to allowing the new fruit, totally new fruit, new screen, new relationship with ourselves. But it will be very hard, almost impossible, without building the new head. So if you want, you can ask me to work on you to build this new head, new male softness. It's the beginning of everything. It's beginning of every organ, every thought, every agreement between us and us, because we're not affected by others at all. It's with the male softness. And if we agree to the male softness, we're allowing double feedback. And that's big. And that's really, really biggie. So the one of you that needs some hand to, that it will be easy after, in these 3 months of the bridge, from limping to dancing, you can ask for some work to allowing the new and to build the male softness. So this is it. And today I'm going to tune you from the ocean. It's a very, very powerful day. And all these holidays, it's amazing. And next Sunday, it's soulmate number 4. And I had to give you a little bit some news and offer you all the help that you want to build the male softness.